Hello all and welcome to this demo video of Hackathon Helper App and Bot, your buddy in team formation. Now this project has been built with HyperHack in mind, so the categories and options have been put accordingly. So let's get started with the project description and alongside I'll try to explain each of the project components and how they work interactively. So I'll be now running my UiPath app called the Hackathon Helper Bot. So you can see the app opens in a new tab and it has this colored background with the title and the respective details and fields. So I'll start entering my own personal details. I'll enter my name, my email ID, and also the phone number and LinkedIn URL. The point to note here is there are two fields here which is mandatory. For example, if I remove this email, it will show me an error message called required field. So I'll put it back there. And coming to this additional section, the profession which I'll select is RPA professional, hackathon category. I'm interested in category 3. It is asking me if I want recommendations for team formation. I'll check it. Now, in case you are participating individually, feel free to uncheck it. And also, I have to fill in my skills. So I'll check some of them. You can see that it is a multiple selection field, and after checking I can uncheck some things as well. So these 4 data are also mandatory for us to enter, and what I would like to show you is the drop down. The options that you see here is coming from DataService, and all the data that we'll be entering here is getting saved in the UiPath DataService after I click on this submit button. So you can see adding data into UiPath DataService was the message that came, after which a new page opened for us saying that the data has been added successfully and it is asking for our review. So the question is like, do you like the UI of the app? Now since this is my project, so I'll just give it a 4 maybe, and because I feel some things still can be improved. And do you like this initiative? I'll check it. Any additional feedback? Nothing as of now, just to save time, and I'll click submit. So feedback got stored in the data service and it finally presents us this conclusion page where it thanks us for registering our interest. Now, once the users have registered their interest along with all this information, the backend team can run this Hackathon Helper bot, which will call in the ML skills from AI Center and generate the matchings. The framework which I have used here is the RE framework along with some modifications, because the recommendations that need to be given is based upon the category chosen. So in our scenario, we have 3 categories. So the flow is like, first the category 1 will be selected, and each user from this category 1 will be getting the bot recommendation. After which the category gets incremented to 2, and the people who have chosen the category 2 option will get the respective recommendations. Now, the point to note here is if you have chosen category 1, then you will be shown recommendations of people who have also chosen the same category. Now, as you can see from the left side, the bot is generating some logs, and at last it is supposed to generate a mail. So let me go to my mail account and wait for the mail. So you can see I have received this mail with subject line as Hackathon Helper BOT notification. When I open it, it contains the respective name and the respective chosen category, and this year is also configurable here, and then it gives out two lists of tables like the top five people with the similar skills as me, and the other five people whose skill like might be complementary to me, or my skills might be complementary to them. Again, all this data has been put in just as a dummy data, nothing specific about what name is coming where. So that's it about the bot. And if you're interested in knowing the details about the respective components and want some detailed explanation, then do comment interested in the comment section. Thank you.